Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to extract zip files on MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go of course and open your MacBook, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what else we have in front of you here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit and View, and we also have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have, of course, the date, password, battery, and in the bottom of the screen, we have all of your apps. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you are using the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and extract zip files on a MacBook. So first of all, find the zip file you want to extract. It usually is in the Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. The Downloads folder is here in the bottom right corner. Then simply double click on the zip file. macOS will automatically extract the contents into a new folder in the same location as the zip file. The new folder will have the same name as the zip file. Open it to access the extended files. If you need to extract zip files with more control or additional features, you can use the third-party apps like the Archiver. You can go to the App Store and download that application, of course, and then you can use it for, of course, extracting zip files. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.